Hello everybody, my name is Jaimini and today I'm going to show you how to create a 1920s inspired makeup look. As normal, what we do is we apply a primer onto the entire eyelid and then an eyeshadow which is very light, I would say, very light. Because what we're going to do is we're going to concentrate on the eyelid only. So if you look at the 20s makeup, mostly the dark eyeshadow was applied onto the eyelids only. So what we're doing is, I used a dark brown and created 3-4 layers and then blend it in. It's very important to blend in your eyeshadow so it doesn't look like a block. It looks subtle and soft. Now wipe off all the dry eyeshadow debris that falls onto the cheekbone. Now I'm gonna create an eyeliner, kind of a very thin eyeliner with a little wing at the end, very small one, a wing or a point. What I've done is as well is to apply the eyeliner onto the top waterline. It enhances the eyeliner even further. Try and do it slowly because you'll end up sort of winking a lot. And sometimes your eyes can water as well, so do a little at a time. I'm going to enhance the eyebrows. Now in the 20s the eyebrows were very thin, so what we've done is we've just filled in the little gaps that a lot of people have in their eyebrows, and then I've softened it up. Nowadays the eyebrows are very enhanced. Now don't forget to apply a coat of mascara. Now the primer to set the foundation and moisturize the skin. Always moisturize. If you got dry skin, then you won't get any laughter lines and stuff like that. Now under eye concealer, I used a camouflage concealer which gives a very good coverage. And normally with the under eye concealer, if you can apply thin layers up to about 2 to 3 and then blend it in and apply a bit of powder to set it, and you'll find that you won't get that many laughter lines. Now I'm going to apply a foundation all over the face. The 20s makeup, nowadays everybody at the weddings, receptions, mehndi parties, all the occasions, there's a theme going. So sometimes you might get a 20s theme. So now I'm going to blend in with the under eye concealer brush, little gaps here and there, and now apply powder, translucent powder, to set the foundation. Now I'm going to create a blusher. What I've done is in the 20s they used to mostly use a creme blusher. So I just dotted a bit onto the cheekbone and applied it several times to get that effect, because in the 20s people used to just apply blusher onto the cheekbones only. I'm going to lip line. What I normally do is I lip line and then cover the whole of the lips with the same lip liner, so that if you apply lipstick and if you're drinking and your lipsticks aren't, you know, gone, you still got the base. In the 20s, mostly the main color was red. Red was very, very popular. Nowadays in makeup you get a kaleidoscope of lip colors, but in the early 20s there weren't that many. In fact, it's only recent decades that the lip colors have sort of expanded. You get lots of different colors, and to match the whole skin type, from a Caucasian to a Afro-Caribbean skins. So nowadays a lot is available. Make sure they're properly covered. And in the 20s, girls were also applying a beauty spot, which we've done now. And you're done. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.